Understanding cheesy, a dive into English slang. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting phrase in the English language. This movie is cheesy. If you've ever wondered what it means when someone describes a movie or anything else as cheesy, then you're in the right place. We'll break down the meaning, origin, and how to use this phrase effectively in conversation. Let's get started. When someone says a movie is cheesy, they're not talking about food. In English, cheesy is a slang term used to describe something that is overly sentimental, cliched, or trying too hard to be serious or emotional. It often implies that the thing being described lacks originality or sophistication. Cheesy can refer to movies, songs, books, or even actions that are so predictable and trite that they become amusing or endearing rather than annoying. The term cheesy has interesting origins. It initially meant something of poor quality and was probably derived from the phrase cheese it, which in Old English slang meant to stop or give up on something. Over time, its meaning evolved to describe things that are tacky or in poor taste. Today, calling something cheesy can be both a critique and a term of endearment, depending on the context. Let's look at some examples to better understand how cheesy is used. A romantic comedy with predictable plot twists and overly sentimental dialogue. A pop song with simple, repetitive lyrics that are designed to be catchy but lack depth. Holiday decorations that are excessively bright and gaudy. In each of these cases, the term cheesy highlights a lack of sophistication or originality, but it doesn't necessarily mean the movie, song, or decorations aren't enjoyable or beloved by many. Using cheesy in conversation can be a great way to share your opinion about art, entertainment, or even someone's actions. Here are a few examples. I know the dialogues in that film were cheesy, but I loved it anyway. This book is full of cheesy lines, yet I can't stop reading it. He proposed to her in such a cheesy way, but it was really sweet. Remember, the key is to understand the context and the sentiment behind the use of cheesy to convey your thoughts appropriately. And there you have it. Now you know what it means when something is described as cheesy. While it might suggest a lack of sophistication or originality, cheesy can also express a certain charm or appeal. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using and understanding this fun piece of English slang. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.